Hey guys, I'm Adam.
I'm Anaya.
We'll be running a bunch of sessions for you as part of Inventors Club. It's a club based in East London. We run sessions for kids from the age of 5 to 16 in and around Whitechapel and Shoreditch. But obviously we can't run those sessions at the moment, so we thought we would do them online. Sessions are sort of, we run by kind of people like us, parents, their kids, or with younger siblings, a bunch of people, some in tech, some not in tech. We're going to aim to keep them really short and simple. These are things that you can do at home on yourself or with your parents, and that's sort of one of the reasons for bringing Anaya in. In fact, Anaya, do you want to tell everyone a bit about yourself?
Okay, so I'm Anaya. I'm 9 years old, and I've been coding since I was 5. I'm going to be joining these sessions so I can show you how simple and easy coding is.
Yeah, so that's it. That's exactly it. We, I'll introduce a concept or an idea or an app, but kind of the aim is to get Anaya to show you how to use it, or you watch her use it just to show you how simple it is, and then you can go off and use it yourself in your spare time. So that's really it. It's as simple as that. So stay tuned. We've got a bunch of sessions coming up. So without further ado, we're going to get into our first session. Okay guys, so the first thing you'll do is open up Google or whatever search engine you use at home, and you will search for something called General Assembly. It should come up as the first result, but if you wanted the URL, it's here. I will be linking all these in the description below, but just for now, this is where you'll find it. When you land on their homepage, this is what you'll see. Now, just a side note, General Assembly is a coding bootcamp for adults. They run classes online and physically, but they've got some really cool, well-structured lessons, and that's what Anaya will be doing today and what we're asking you to sort of do as well. Don't worry too much about sort of what HTML is, what CSS is, and what JavaScript is. The lesson should give you an introduction, but what I'll also be doing is linking some videos and creating a playlist. So if you wanted a deeper dive into what these are, what they do, you'll be able to do that as well. But if you just follow the lesson, you won't need that. What you will need to do though is sign up and log in with an email. So if you don't have one yourselves, you'll need to use your parents. So I'll just go ahead and do that. I already have an account. So I will sign up. Once you've signed in, you will land on this dashboard. You'll see a bunch of projects. Here's the one that we'll be doing. It's their first one. But what essentially happens is the projects get more and more interesting and challenging as you go along. So you'll see one here where you actually get to build a robot, which is pretty cool. And the one at the bottom, you get to build a game, which is again really cool as well. The lessons, like I mentioned, are self-contained. They will talk you through. You can do them on your own, or you can do them with a parent, but they are really easy. And what we're going to show you in a bit is just, you'll watch Anaya do essentially this lesson, and you get to see just how easy and how quick you can do it. And the great thing here is we'll focus on this project here, project 1, but you can come back and do these other projects. So you've got 5 projects. So essentially you could do one a day, a couple a day over the weekend. So yeah, it's a really, really cool way to start to learn. So without further ado, we will bring Anaya back, and she's going to essentially go through this lesson. So this, of course, is majorly speeded up because it would get pretty boring just watching Anaya do this, and the whole point is for you to go off and do the lesson yourself. But it literally took her 25 to 30 minutes. Might take a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, but it is really, really simple, and that's the great thing about this. It's a great way to start.
Hey guys!
Welcome back. So as you sort of saw there, a small glimpse of what Anaya was doing, but actually it's probably worth asking you, I mean, how was that, Anaya?
It was really easy. All you have to do is follow the instruction and you'll be able to complete the task.
See, there you go, and it's kind of like the Dash sort of app is self-explanatory. It takes you through step by step. But what you would have done at the end of it is created a website and learned a little bit about the code, the languages, HTML, CSS that goes behind building that website. So what we'll do is we'll come back with a few more lessons, some advanced, some similar, to just build on that. But I guess essentially what you've done is build your first website. All good?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, we will see you again very soon with another lesson. Thank you and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.